Today's video lesson, we are going to study the chemical properties of material. In this chapter, you will also learn how to minimize the change in materials that may be harmful to the environment. Minimizing this harmful change will help Earth remain happy and healthy.
You will identify the chemical properties of materials, describe the chemical properties of materials, and determine the practical uses and application of materials based on their chemical properties.
Change in property. A chemical property is a characteristic of substance that describe how it undergoes chemical change or reaction with other substances.
A chemical change happens when a material changes into a different material. Let's perform some activities to learn more about the chemical properties of materials.
Safety measure. Beginning by putting on safety goggles and gloves to protect your eyes and hands. Always have an adult supervision when using fire vinegar and have a provide fire extinguishers readily available in the laboratory. Place strategically in easily accessible location. Perform this activity in a well-tiled area.
Aluminum foil, matchstick, safety clothes, small metal can, a candle, metal tongs, stopwatch.
Conclusion paper. When a paper is burned, it undergoes a chemical change. The paper reacts with oxygen in the air, producing ash, smoke, gases like carbon dioxide. After burning, the paper cannot return its original form and its properties. When a cotton is burned, it undergoes a chemical change. The cotton, which is originally soft, flexible, and fibrous, turns into ash, smoke, and gases. This process changes its color, texture, and structure permanently. The burning of cotton shows that heat can cause materials to decompose and transform into entirely a new substance, demonstrating an irreversible change in its physical and chemical properties. The heat from the fire breaks down the fibers of the clothes, causing it lose its original characteristics such as softness, color, strength, and flexibility. As it burns, the cloth turns into ash, releases smoke, and produces gases like carbon dioxide and water vapor. These new substances are completely different from original materials, showing that the process cannot be reversed. This process permanently changes the steel wool's properties. It turns from shiny, flexible metal fiber into a dull, crumbly, and darker substance. The change cannot be reversed by simple physics means, showing that burning steel wool is an example of an irreversible chemical change that forms new materials with different characteristics. When a matchstick is burned, it experiences an irreversible chemical change. At first, the heat from the friction ignites the chemical on the match head, usually made from compounds like phosphorus and potassium chlorate. This starts a reaction that produces a flame. The heat from the flame then causes the wood stick burn, reacting with the oxygen in the air. Instead of catching fire, the foil usually only becomes hot, may glow faintly, and can get discolored or develop a thin dull coating of aluminum oxide on its surface. This process shows that metal like aluminum generally is resistant to burning completely and turning into ash or new substance. The foil undergoes only a surface chemical change, oxidation, which slightly changes its color and appearance but keeps its structure mostly intact.
This is the end of our video.
I hope you learned something from us.
And you understand the different chemical properties of material. Through this fun activity, for watching. Bye!